Going to Florence to study museum studies was one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life, and I would definitely do it again. The thing that drew me to the program was really the fact that we're not sitting in the classroom and watching slides and listening to people talk to us. Most of the time we were visiting museums and going to the actual museum that we were learning about. The city itself of Florence is so steeped in the history of museums. Being a student there, we're able to go to all different types of museums, from natural history to Italian Renaissance art, anthropological, and contemporary art, so it's all there. I got to travel to all different countries and cities with my classmates, and one of the first things that we would do to get a better understanding of the city would be to go and see a museum. It was like a class in itself. There are so many different moving parts inside a museum. It's more than curating, although that's a big component of a museum. There's the public program side that runs events to get people interested in the collection itself. There's educational programs for all different types of audiences. And then there's more of the development side, trying to get money and raise money to keep all of these programs and all of these collections safe. After the coursework, which lays down the foundation for a great understanding of museums, students complete an internship. Internship can be anywhere, and students have done their internships in Alaska, at the Smithsonian in DC. Students also stay in Italy. A couple of my friends have done internships at the Uffizi, museums in Greece. If the option's available, take it. I chose to do my internship at the Met in New York City in the education department with teen and family programs. I am really interested in teen programs, particularly because I'm interested in what different types of audiences we can bring in the museum. I think there's this preconceived notion that a museum is an old, ancient storage facility, but it's not that. It's a hub of activity for culture and society to learn and grow from. During my internship with the education department, I worked to try to engage with adolescent audiences in New York City. We ran a Teens Take the Met event, which was amazing to see so many young people in the museum. And I really feel like I was able to apply everything that I learned in the program. The internship is great because it's a basis for my thesis. I wrote my thesis about teen programs in the United States. So I looked at how many museums have teen programs, what these programs look like, how are we engaging with a new generation of museum goers. From an international education in Florence to an internship at the Met, this is a great experience.